Hey LEGO fans, we're going to check out a new cool 2023 Technic 2-in-1 set. It's the Dump Truck LEGO Technic 42147. This is a pretty fun little set that comes with a steering mechanism that lets you turn the dump truck, and you can also raise and lower the dump bed with this little lever here. It's a fun set for $13 if you enjoy building Technic, and stay tuned. I will be building the alternate, let's see, which is a little excavator. So if you enjoy these videos, stay tuned. We'll have the excavator video coming up soon. Thanks, bye.